Hello everyone. Today I am going to implement this a joystick. This is the analog joystick, or actually you can also call it the thumb joystick. I hope you can see it. So I am going to implement this joystick with the Arduino UNO, and I'll be using this joystick to control my remote control board. So first of all, you need one Arduino UNO joystick, and first of all I'm going to use this joystick to read the analog value, and then I will convert this analog value in the 4-bit digital value, and then I will be using to control this analog this 4 LEDs, and here I have this 4 LED, and after that I will be using this transmitter, the RF transmitter module, to which actually helps to communicate with the RF receiver, and which I have implemented on my remote control board. So I will be using this joystick to control this transmitter module, and hence I will be controlling my board with this joystick. So now I have interfaced the joystick with the Arduino UNO. So as you can see that the ground is connected to the ground, and plus 5 volt is connected to the plus 5 volt, and VRX is connected to the A0, VRY is connected to the A1, and SW I have connected it at the digital pin 2. So now let me just show you the program. So this is the program I have written for the joystick, and first of all I am going to show you the analog value of the joystick in the serial monitor as well as in the serial plotter. So let's open the serial monitor. So as you can see that as I am moving this joystick, the value of the X and Y coordinates changes in the serial monitor. So this is actually the static value when the joystick is at static position, and as I am changing it, it changes. And similarly I am going to show you in the serial plotter. Go to the tools and select the serial plotter here. As you can see that the value is changing here as I am changing the X and Y value or the position of this joystick. So now my point is, or I want to convert this analog value into 4-bit digital value by using the map function, and then I will be using that 4-bit digital value to the transmitter module of the radio frequency, and that's the way I will be controlling my remote control board.